In this video, I'll show you how to add components and versions in Jira. First, open Jira and log into your Atlassian account. Then choose the project where you want to manage components and versions. You may need project admin permission to add or edit these settings. Let's start with components. Components are used to organize issues by part of a project, product, or team responsibility. For example, in a software project, you might create components like front-end, back-end, mobile app, payments, or user login. To add a component, open your project and go to Project Settings. Then find and click Components. Now click Create Component or Add Component, depending on your Jira layout. Enter the component name, add a short description, and choose a component lead if needed. The component lead is usually the person responsible for that part of the project. After that, save the component. Now, when someone creates or edits a Jira issue, they can select the correct component. This makes it easier to filter tickets, assign ownership, and understand which part of the project each issue belongs to. Next, let's add versions. Versions are used to track releases, milestones, or planned updates. For example, you can create versions like version 1.0, sprint release, April update, or mobile app launch. To add a version, go back to Project Settings, then click Versions. Click Create Version or Add Version, then enter the version name. You can also add a start date, release date, and description. After saving the version, you can use it in Jira issues with fields like Fix Version or Affix Version. Fix Version usually shows where the work will be released, while Affix Version can show where a bug or issue was found. That's it. You have added components and versions in Jira, making your project easier to organize, filter, and track. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.